Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you've ever logged into the Wealthfront app and seen that your balance looks wrong or doesn't match what you expected, you're not alone, and there are a few common reasons this can happen in 2026. First, Wealthfront often shows a real-time estimated balance that includes pending trades, unsettled transactions, or newly deposited funds that haven't fully cleared yet, so the number you see can be higher or lower than your actual settled balance. Another reason is market fluctuations. Since Wealthfront holds ETFs and other securities, the value of your investments changes throughout the day, and the app may show a live price update that doesn't match the latest closing value you remember. Sometimes the issue is simply syncing delays or connection problems, where the app hasn't fully refreshed with the latest data from the servers, especially if your internet is slow or unstable. Account settings and linked accounts can also play a role. If you have external bank accounts connected, transfers that are in progress might not be reflected yet, or they may appear in a different section of the balance screen. Additionally, dividends, interest, or fees may be posted at different times than expected, causing temporary differences in what you think your total should be. Rarely, an internal app glitch or back-end issue can cause incorrect totals to display, and in those cases, it usually gets resolved with an app update or refresh. To avoid confusion, always check whether the balance you're seeing is settled, pending, or estimated, and make sure your app is updated and fully synced. Most of the time, the discrepancy comes down to timing, market changes, or transaction status, rather than an actual error with your money. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.